Learn English to Gujarati time connectors, as soon as to since then with.
જેમ જ,
And.
ત્યારથી.
Welcome to time travel. Hey, you are about to learn some extremely useful Gujarati connector words without falling asleep on page 3. Let us make grammar feel like gossip with excellent timing. Today you will meet 8 powerful words, as soon as,
જેમ જ,
as long as,
જ્યાં સુધી.
before,
પહેલા,
after,
પછી.
although,
જો કે.
falls,
દોધ.
provided that,
જો કે.
and since then.
ત્યારથી.
These are the little glue words that hold stories, excuses, rules, and dramatic family messages together. Without them, language sounds like a robot ordering soup. A very dramatic morning. Listen to this silly story and notice how each Gujarati word pops up in action. Your job is simple. Enjoy it and let the pattern stick. I woke up and.
જેમ જ,
My alarm screamed. I jumped out of bed like a confused superhero. I promised myself I would stay cheerful.
જ્યાં સુધી.
The coffee machine behaved. Sadly.
પહેલા.
I even reached the kitchen. I stepped on something mysterious and made a noise that was not human. I found my dignity only.
પછી.
I had already complained to the ceiling.
જો કે.
I was tired. I still tried to be productive. I told myself I could watch funny videos.
જો કે.
I finished my work first. Then I looked at a travel photo of a giant.
દોધ.
And suddenly wanted to quit everything and become a waterfall philosopher. I once missed an important deadline and.
ત્યારથી.
I check my calendar like it owes me money. Quick meaning boost. Now let us pin down the meanings clearly. Short, sharp, and no grammar fog. As soon as equals.
જેમ જ,
It shows immediate timing. Example. Call me.
જેમ જ,
You arrive. As long as equals.
જ્યાં સુધી.
It shows duration or condition. Example. You can stay here.
જ્યાં સુધી.
You are quiet. Before equals.
પહેલા.
Example. Wash your hands.
પહેલા.
Dinner. After equals.
પછી.
Example. We went home.
પછી.
Dinner. Although equals.
જો કે.
It introduces contrast. Example.
જો કે.
It was raining. We went outside. Falls equals.
દોધ.
A waterfall or falls. Example. We heard the sound of the.
દોધ.
Provided that equals.
જો કે.
A condition must be met. Example. You may go out.
જો કે.
You finish your homework. Since then equals.
ત્યારથી.
From that time onward. Example.
ત્યારથી.
Everything changed. Tiny dialogues, big memory. You learn faster when words talk to each other. So here come mini dialogues with just enough drama to be memorable. A. When should I text you? B.
જેમ જ,
You get there. A. Can I keep playing? B. Yes.
જ્યાં સુધી.
You finish your homework first. Yes, this parent is advanced. A. Should I speak now? B. Think.
પહેલા.
Then speak. Your future self will thank you. A. When will you call me? B.
પછી.
Work. A. It is raining. B. Yes.
જો કે.
We can still go. A. What do you see in the forest? B. A giant.
દોધ.
And honestly, I also see poor shoe choices. A. Can I borrow the car? B.
જો કે.
You return it by evening. A. You seem more organized now. B. I missed one meeting and.
ત્યારથી.
I live by reminders. Memory tricks that behave almost like magic. Let us give your brain some sticky images. The stranger the picture, the better the memory. 4.
જેમ જ,
Imagine toast flying out of a toaster the exact second it pops. Immediate action, no delay. 4.
જ્યાં સુધી.
Imagine a road that keeps going and going.
જ્યાં સુધી.
The horizon finally says, enough, my friend. 4.
પહેલા.
Picture yourself stopping dramatically at a door just.
પહેલા.
Opening it, like you are in a suspense movie. 4.
પછી.
See one train car following another. One thing happens, then another comes.
પછી.
4.
જો કે.
Picture sunshine and rain shaking hands. Opposites, but both are true. 4.
दूध,
Hear loud rushing water crashing down rocks. Big sound, cool mist, zero chance your hair survives. 4.
जो के,
Imagine a locked gate that opens only if the secret condition is met. 4.
तैयार थी,
See a point on a timeline glowing brightly, and everything after that moment stretching forward. Challenge round. Okay, your turn. I will give you English, and you mentally grab the Gujarati. No panic. Even dramatic panic counts as practice. How do you say as soon as?
जेम ज,
How do you say as long as?
ज्या सुधी,
How do you say before?
पहला,
How do you say after?
પછી,
How do you say although?
जो के,
How do you say falls?
दूध,
How do you say provided that?
जो के,
How do you say since then?
तैयार थी,
Build your own sentences. Now speak with me in your head or out loud. If a pet looks at you strangely, congratulations, you are learning. Say, call me as soon as you arrive.
તમે પહોંચો તેમ જ મને ફોન કરજો.
Say, we will walk as long as it does not rain.
જ્યાં સુધી વરસાદ નથી પડતો, આપણે ચાલીએ.
Say, think before you speak.
તમે બોલો તે પહેલા વિચારો.
Say, we went home after dinner.
અમે રાત્રિ ભોજન પછી ઘરે ગયા.
Say, although it was raining, we went outside.
જો કે વરસાદ પડતો હતો, અમે બહાર ગયા.
Say, the falls are beautiful.
ધોધ સુંદર છે.
Say, you may go outside, provided that you finish your homework.
જો કે તું તારું હોમવર્ક પૂરું કરે, તો તું બહાર જઈ શકે છે.
Say, since then, everything changed.
ત્યારથી, બધું બદલાઈ ગયું.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just practiced a whole set of high-value Gujarati connectors and one scenic waterfall word, which is frankly a great deal. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
જેમ જ,
You can repeat these words.
જ્યાં સુધી,
They feel natural, and do not worry.
જો કે,
You are not perfect yet. Review them again later, build your own examples, and
ત્યારથી,
your Gujarati will keep getting stronger.